we are quite happy with the support for states, where over 2 trillion, close to 2 trillion naira was given in the form of restructuring of loans, refunds on federal roads, refund for Paris Club, which has helped encourage economic activity in the states, payment of salaries, payment of pension, payment of gratuities, and overall investment in the economy by infrastructure spending. We are equally appreciative of increased investment in agriculture, which has been because of conscious decision to support agriculture as a way out of our economic challenges. We as Progressive Governors Forum will push so that legislation and cooperation between states and federal government will intensify. We will be very more active in ensuring that investment in all the areas that can provide employment and incomes rapidly will increase. We will we will collaborate more to ensure that security is enhanced, particularly where it involves conflicts that are across state borders.